Hey guys, welcome back to Tactical Expedition. Today I'm heading to Porsche dealer in Pasadena. Like I said, I always use the Tesla charger. So these are the reason that I'm going to Porsche dealer today. They're gonna check the battery cell so I don't get that red message that my battery is bad. And now they have a remedy. The older mail saying there's no full remedy, but now there is. Front passenger seat can malfunction and deactivate the front passenger airbag. So hopefully they can fix that. This is the main reason. Front brake hoses may develop the crack, so they have a solution for this. My charging cable and the charging port, they have a new charging port, or they can program that. Those are the recalls that I want to get fixed. Beautiful car. Every time I enjoy it. Very first thing I do is do the light, so I get the rear strip, and I turn this to individual, so I get the electronic sound, and then everything is sport. So currently I have iOS 26 beta version, and CarPlay changed completely, so it's much better system. So when I get a phone call, this doesn't turn into a phone app, but it stays as a navigation, and I get a little pop-up notice for getting a phone call. It's beautiful weather, 73 degrees, so I'm in my short sleeve, but the wind is cool, so very nice. So I came to Rusnak Porsche dealer in Pasadena. This is my car. It's gonna go in for service. There's a lot of people, but luckily I got a loaner car, so that's nice here. It has a Rolls-Royce dealer here, Porsche. Super nice here. Look at all those Taycans, new versions. So check this out, this is Porsche Macan electric. So compared to my Taycan, it's just more advanced system. Even the display over here, the center console display and the software is much better. This one has the same auto drive, InnoDrive installed, and just the self-driving is much better. As you can see, I can engage right now. So it is engaged, and you can see the green lines, and it auto drives much better than my Taycan. Very nice. This one has a off-roading function with the drive mode. You can select off-roading and sport. It doesn't have the individual mode where you can set up your own setting and turn it to individual mode, but it has a off-roading mode. It has a compass, clock, and 600 feet above sea level. I wish I had this Gen 2 display. Man, I wish Taycan had this. Beautiful. Thank you for viewing my video, and see you on the next one.